Is saying hello to everybody?
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Should I ask you what his name means? Should I ask you what his name means? Yeah? ASIMO, what does it stand for?
I know.
Okay, one second, let me ask you. Asimo, tell everybody what does your name stand for?
Sure.
Okay.
Advanced Steps in Innovative Mobility.
Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility is what his name stands for. Then why don't you take an advanced step here towards me and do you carry on? How are you? Jल्दी से आइए। Okay. That's it. Coming closer to the audience, you know. When he was in the last time, he was only walking. This time, he's running. And that clearly sort of represents how Honda's R&D is at work year after year after year to achieve newer innovations. So I think last time you were here, you were only walking, now you're running. What else have you learned? You learned a lot of new stuff. You want to show us something that you learned, something new? What? What are you going to show us? Oh, he's not going to tell me. But he's going to be doing something. What's he going to be doing? What's he going to be doing? What do you want to do? Sorry. Jumping at the end. Right now he's going to take a walk. Yes, you know how that he gets the football? How cool. How did he on this? Give it that ready? Yo, 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Yeah! Look at that. You'll come back to the same for that. So because that was cool. Thank you very much. You're so excited about being here in India, aren't you? And when he gets excited, he runs around in circles. So I don't know whether he'll kind of do that right now or not, but I can try asking him, let's see. Will you show us how excited you are and run around in circles? Will you? Okay, he's not running. But if you clap, maybe he will. Clap, maybe to run around in circles. Outside. And go here. Okay, you like it. Okay, there's a 3, 4 running around in a circle. Going you on out. Wow! So happy to be here. Isn't that true? Yeah? You know, I say this every time during every show that he's such a wonderful symbol of Honda's human technology and such a perfect amalgamation of our spirit of innovation, you know? God and dynamism. Two qualities that are very closely linked with our theme this year. But I won't tell you what our theme this year is. I'm going to try and get Asimo to tell you all what our theme this year is. Asimo, would you like to now tell them what the theme of the Honda Girls Arena is? Go ahead.
Inspired by dynamism.
Okay.
Truly Honda by nature.
That is Asimo's voice is our theme this year, everybody. Inspired by dynamism, truly Honda by nature. Oh, okay. What's the change plan? What you now will do doing? Hello. What are you doing? Okay. Okay. He wants to do yoga.
Yoga.
Yeah, yoga. Because you know he's sort of come here to India and he's learned some yoga. So now he's very excited and he wants to show you all some yoga. Chalega?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yoga.
But one condition, the kids have to all stand up and do yoga with us. Yeah, Asimo? Anything else? Or koi shart hai?
I'd be more than happy to show you guys.
Okay.
Just one condition.
What?
All of you have to do it with me.
Yes.
All of them have to do it with you. Not just the kids. Will you all do yoga with Asimo?
You will also do.
मैं तो रोज कर रही हूँ कितने लोग okay so we all do yoga with Asimo very easy 2 asanas we'll do Asimo they're all steps go sit first asana everybody come on that's the first one yes very good help and the second one
स्कूल का कोर्स के लिए तो तुझे वहाँ महत्वपूर्ण होगा भी
was that fun?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. If this was fun, now what's going to be happening is going to be super fun. You're like new song, All Is Well.
Yes.
Yeah? So, you like it? Yeah? Okay. Do you all want to dance to that song? Asimo will watch you dancing. Or do you want to watch Asimo dancing?
We want a phone.
See, Asimo ऐसे इतनी आसानी से नाचते नहीं है. One second, Asimo, don't dance right now. Hold on. He wants you all to go up in a big road. Okay, make lots of noise, and then he'll think about whether he wants to dance for you or not. Right, Asimo? Yeah? Okay. So we'll start from this side, and we'll go to that side. And if you make enough noise and make him happy, maybe he'll dance for you. Here we go. This side, come on. Scream it out. Shout it out. That side wasn't not very good. No, that side was very good. No, he said no. No. Okay, we're going to do that again, because until you make satisfactory noise, he will not dance. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. आपको क्या हो गया? Did you pick up the first? Listen, I can't get him to scream anymore. Are you ready to dance now? Any other requirement, superstar? No, still not. I don't believe it. One last time. Everybody together. 1, 2, 3. Enough. No more serious talking. Enough. We have started now. Oh, okay. He will.
You will see.
What?
First, let's dim the lights.
You want to dim the light? Okay, we dim the light for you. Party हो जाओ यार, क्या मतलब है? Party है? इसकी ऐसी को party? No, let him dance. You can't see. Everybody go and clap. Let's have one team. Everybody. One team, everybody. I want everybody clapping in the house. Come on. Come on, all the way to the side. Look at that. You want more? Want to dance more? Okay.
Thank you. I hope all of you have fun.
I know. Every time I do this with him, I have loads of fun. Listen, now that was great Bollywood dancing. You were absolutely better than Amir Khan. You were better than Amir Khan.
Yes,
Yeah?
definitely.
Definitely. But now, I move to a very serious message that you want to thank you, give them all a very serious message you want to give them all, especially the kids here. So I tell them, you know what that message is?
Remember, friends, turn off lights and taps. Don't litter roads and be kind to nature. And most importantly, believe in the power of dreams. You never know where they can take you.
That's the special line. Believe in the power of dreams. You never know where your dreams can take you. And that's what we believe in at Horgan. We believe in the power of our dreams. And you work very hard to make our dreams come true. That's why you come to realization. And you okay? So time to say goodbye to everybody. Superstar. One more. थोड़ा शोर वोर मचाओगे तो क्या पता? I don't know. I can't promise you. I did ask my boss inside. Boss, can we do it once more? Sit down. No, everybody, say goodbye to us, people. We won't say goodbye to you once we get from there. Meanwhile, I'm going to be announcing some quiz contest prizes, drawing competition prizes. I think I want to say goodbye to them, no? Say goodbye to everybody. Yeah, okay, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you very much for performing with us here. We had loads of fun watching you. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the design corner there. So those of you interested in design and interested in knowing how Honda cars are created from scratch and swimming. And these are the quiz contest prizes coming out. If you're here, come join me on stage. I'll give you a prize. Alok Singh, Deepak Vijay Kumar, Rishi Wadia, Varun Jain, and